Grab your chopsticks, let's ride. Yeah, true, talking, break it down. From the army rations to food in town. Flavor explosion, yeah, that's my crown. Every bite a story, I hold it down. Chill shout time, yeah, let's eat. Spitting them bars with a side of meat. Talk that taste, can't stay in my seat. When it's chow time, life's complete.
Alright, we got the viral I am donut.
Viral.
We had to queue up for that obviously, but only for like 5 minutes. This one's the just normal flavor, so let's go.
Yeah, first look, I must say it's not that appetizing looking. It's actually very thin compared to like other donuts, and then it's very small actually. Okay, but let's try. Maybe so good. What's the reaction? Is it good? Is it bad? Oh, okay. No speaking.
It's very moist. It's good. It's better than a regular donut, but it's just a donut.
I'm so not impressed for some reason. Maybe it's the heat, but personal opinion, I just don't think this is like worth like queuing up.
Now you don't need to put the paper around. It's good. But what's that? Blueberry cheesecake?
Mm-hmm.
How's that? This one I like.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
You like this one? This one's good, right?
Mm.
It's just a plain donut that really doesn't do much, but
Why she was looking at me so
because
long?
you again like an influencer. Come on.
We got 10 viewers.
I think she thinks you're a K-pop star. No, la vita non
Oh,
This one's good? How would you rate it?
out of 5, it's definitely not a something that you should travel all the way down to.
Can I have it?
Yeah. Just get it when you're here. Just get it when the queue is not long. You don't need to, it's not something that you should wait for like 2 hours to eat it. But like 10-minute wait is worth it, I guess.
For the flavored ones, right?
Personal opinion. Yeah, I didn't say don't get it. I meant I wouldn't get it. Yeah, guys, I hope this video helps, guys. Maybe you will like it. Maybe you don't. I'm Donut. If you guys want to sponsor us, we'll change our statement.
Shut your ass, I don't think we can say that. You're gonna get us canceled.
Sorry, guys. But yeah.
No, I liked it.
Oh yeah,
The plain one was really just a plain donut. But
plain donut is just plain.
we got the
as is.
blueberry cheesecake one, and that one was fresh.
That one was
Really
fresh.
and
Yeah, get those. If you're gonna
Flavored
get those the
Flavored.
flavor ones.
Yeah, like now that I ate that one, I would even like want to try the pistachio or the like matcha one, you know?
Yeah, yeah. I think the cream is very good here. So get anything like a creamy. All right. So that's it for us.
You and Sophia, we're on the go. Tasting, traveling, sharing all the shows. From food to fun and everywhere in between. So Park Adventures, come see what we mean.